Today we talk about how can you select, who can see your profile on the internet on your wake-up. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then you come to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on settings and come to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on privacy here. When you just click here on privacy here, so when you click here on privacy, sorry, when you click on privacy, it's going to take you to next step here. Just switching to open video, and you go down here, so you keep going down. When order show for you, then you go down here, come here to who can see my profile on the internet, just click on it. So when you click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list to select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.